Welcome to our product explainer video of the Spericare Technologies. Every day our urban houses are faced to a big issue. The issue of daily produced domestic garbage thrown outside from house. Its proper solution not available at present. Where of use the citizen can make able for totally eliminated of daily produced domestic garbage within house in per day. The method of solid waste disposal at source was included in most priority list of the Solid Waste Management Act 2016. But owing to lack of waste disposal at source method, our Chhattisgarh municipal governments and others are providing temporarily improvised solution of sanitation for the citizens by use of door-to-door solid waste collection method, and it's settled in landfilling or supply to SLRM centers where it's used to supply for recycling. According to a Central Pollution Control Board report in 2014-15, 91% of solid waste was collected, of which only 27% was treated and the remaining 73% was disposed at dump sites. This is costly solution implemented at present that are consuming more wealth and labor resources. Our startup has to present a cost saver and effective solution become to existence as soon about this problem. We are preparing to develop smart and portable equipment for sanitation whereof will be used in consumer market for domestic use only and commercial market for community facilitated. Our first product named Waste Destroyer and our second product named Zero Discharge Toilet System. Our third product for service sector with participation of the municipal governments named e-municipal app for smart economy. Using our product Waste Destroyer, the citizen will be made self-dependent for completely eliminated to daily produced domestic garbage or waste by use of our product. Our product will be designed as per requirement of the consumer market and commercial market both, and individually set consumption capacity in each unit of the product. Using our second product Zero Discharge Toilet System, it will be completely replaced the traditional septic tank system that is come from generation to generation. Our product become an existence. The consumer will be make self-dependent for totally eliminated per day to daily generated laboratory dirt whereof retaining for a long period in septic tank because its proper solution did not exist at the time. At present, the public are not satisfied from work style of the municipal governments. The public want to convenience from municipal governments for tax deposit, licenses, determinant of complaints and public survey and relief works. Other side, we are needful for monitoring and supervision of our products that will be installed in consumer and commercial both markets under the urban local body of municipal governments. Both of us problem we find a solution. The solution is that we develop a unique e-municipal app as per our startup goal and objects, whereof used for both of us for intercommunicate with an household premises, for making identification of premises, for giving information and receiving feedback, for collecting product usage charges, for receiving complaint and giving solution, for monitoring of the product functioning or not. Supervision task will be completed with support of this, and many more features available in the eMunicipal app. Our product USP. Why would the consumer choose our product over than other options? Our innovative products and services will be best and unique for the high, medium and low class consumer by making to his product user unequal. Our product and services will be available only basic of hire purchase system for consumer and commercial both market in India. The user can pay only product usage charges at minimum cost. Our products and services features are totally eliminate laboratory dirt and domestic garbage, easy to get, free of cost installation, minimum usage charges, complete replace policy, smart and sustainable, easy to use eMunicipal app. Please keep watching our next session for product demo video of the SperryCare technologies. Have a nice day. Thank you.